Okay, let me open this bag here. Oh, I got all the receipt, evidence. Maybe they give me refund back here. This is the Kinship. Okay, so this is a skincare. Oh, what is this for? Super Mellow Hyaluronic Gel Cream. Did you hear this? Kinship, this is good. Perfect for my kids. I let them start using the skincare. Okay, and here's another beauty blender because I like it. I got a lot because I don't want to wash it every day or every week. I wash it one time, like a month. I save it in the container and then wash it all together. Okay.